I left WordPress for Wix Studio. In 1 minute, I'll explain why. Performance was the first eye-opener. Wix Studio consistently loaded faster. Images, scripts, and caching are optimized out of the box, reducing load times. Pricing changed my mind. Wix Studio bundles hosting, security, and editor under one plan. That eliminated surprise plugin bills and costly maintenance for small businesses. Ease of use stood out. The visual editor lets me iterate designs rapidly. Customization remains strong. Advanced layouts, CSS control, and developer tools are available. WordPress still shines for specialized plugins and deep backend control, but it's more hands-on. My workflow now is faster. Design in Studio, preview live, and deploy with confidence. Key pros: better speed, cleaner pricing, simpler maintenance. Key cons: fewer niche plugins. For clients who want fast, maintainable sites, Wix Studio hits the sweet spot. If you want migration tips and real comparisons, subscribe now and I'll walk you through it.